This is how you can make chocolate cupcake in a microwave at normal setting. What you need is 1 tablespoon of oil, 2 tablespoons of white powdered sugar, 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder, 3 tablespoons of milk at room temperature. Whisk them together, then add 2 tablespoons of maida, white flour, a few drops of vanilla essence and 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder. Whisk them together. Take more than 1 cupcake liner, fill it halfway. This makes 2 cupcakes and give it a round in the microwave for less than a minute. Make 1 cupcake at a time. Check this is done. You can take it out whenever it is at room temperature and decorate it however you like and enjoy.